This fall, news no one wants to hear.
Cotton would be awful in a burrito, too.
Yeah, not good. And it's not really looking good as far as the rain is concerned anytime soon. Things are really dry out there, and it's staying that way for at least the next week. But kind of hard to complain when you have days like today. It was absolutely beautiful out. The wind finally calmed down a little bit. There was a light breeze, but not nearly as windy as it was yesterday. And, of course, lots of blue skies. So gorgeous out there right now. Temperatures not feeling too bad at all. 64 degrees. Winds are nice and light variable at about 5 miles per hour, and the winds will stay light through tonight, but not tomorrow. Big changes tomorrow as far as those winds are concerned, especially for the metro and the East Mountains, where winds will be gusting up around 35 and 40 miles per hour. Let's talk about the numbers now. And you had a big cool down over in the east yesterday, in the 80s over in Tucumcari, Clovis, down in the southeast, 80s to even near 9 degrees today, only in the low 50s, 71 in Roswell, 70 in Carlsbad. We're in the mid 60s after topping out in the 70s yesterday, and then up in the northwest in the mid-50s there right now. So pretty mild out there. Temperatures will fall pretty quickly tonight. Tomorrow, temperatures are going to be very similar to where we were today, maybe a couple of degrees warmer, but we're really going to see those temperatures climb as we head toward the end of the work week. We do have a fire weather watch in effect for the metro and the East Mountains, so the central part of the state. That starts tomorrow morning and will continue until 7 o'clock tomorrow evening as those winds really start to pick up. And we will see breezy conditions out east, but we're going to have more moisture moving in there, so we're not going to see as high of a fire danger there as we will across the central part of the state. Right now, skies mostly clear for central and northern and southern New Mexico, but we are seeing that cloud cover move into the four corners, mainly high, thin clouds. It'll probably make for a gorgeous sunset, so be sure to check that out. Those clouds will continue to stream on in, but we're not going to see any precip out of that. Again, most of the cloud cover is going to be pushing in across the eastern part of the state. There's a weak boundary here. You can't see it on the radar, but there is a weak frontal boundary that is going to allow those clouds to develop as we head into tomorrow morning. Could see some foggy conditions tomorrow morning, and of course even drizzle. Not out of the question for much of the eastern plains tomorrow morning, but that will be moving out tomorrow afternoon. For the rest of us, looking at a lot of sunshine, breezy conditions, and then going into Wednesday, we'll see those winds start to calm down a little bit with more sunshine. Temperatures will start to increase on Thursday, but those numbers start to go up big time as we head toward the end of the work week and get into the weekend. We're talking well above average temperatures. In fact, record warmth probably for the east, as temperatures in the east and the southeast climb well into the 80s, even mid 90s down in the southeast. That's going to be Friday and into the weekend, but unfortunately with that warmer weather, we are going to see the winds increasing dramatically. We'll probably have wind advisories in effect as we head into the weekend. Strong winds, especially Sunday and going into Monday. Your forecast now, region by region. For the northwest, looking at more sunshine for tomorrow with temperatures topping out in the 50s and 60s. It will be a bit breezy tomorrow afternoon, and then we'll continue to see breezy to windy conditions as we head through the early part of Thursday. Winds start to taper off by Thursday afternoon. We'll see more sunshine for the rest of the weekend into the weekend. Look at the numbers. Near 70 for Durango on Saturday, upper 70s for Farmington. So temperatures really climbing as we head toward the weekend. South and west, mostly sunny and warm with highs in the mid to upper 70s tomorrow afternoon. Down in the southeast, it will be a beautiful day. Temperatures a little better than today. We'll be in the upper 60s to low 70s. Out east, Roswell looking at temperatures in the low to mid 70s. It will be a cloudy start, but we will start to see those clouds start to clear out as we head into the afternoon. Your 7-day forecast shows that warm up moving in, low 90s by Friday, then mid to perhaps even upper 90s as we head toward the weekend. And your forecast for the northeast, clearing skies as we get into the afternoon, temperature wise topping out in the low to mid 60s in most locations there. Northern mountains looking at partly cloudy skies, and there's a slight chance we may see a spot shower in the Sangre de Cristo Mountains as that boundary moves a little bit closer there. Otherwise, partly sunny with temperatures again in the 40s to low 50s, very similar to today temperature wise. Temps tomorrow night down into the upper 20s, upper 60s for Thursday for Santa Fe, then 70s Friday and Saturday for Santa Fe, so really warming up as we head toward the end of the week. And your forecast for the East Mountains, mostly sunny with gusty winds near 40 miles per hour tomorrow with highs in the 50s and mid 60s. And your forecast for the metro, lots of sunshine tomorrow. It will be a beautiful day. Just watch for the wind. Winds gusting to around 35 miles per hour. Less wind Thursday with warmer temperatures, mid 70s, and then look at the highs Friday and Saturday near 80 degrees. Big warm up.
Perfect.
Still a little nippy in the mornings.
Yeah, it is a little chilly.
All right. Thank you, Kristen. Sports is next.